This video is all about Inspiration Center 2.0 and how it helps you to turn inspiration into videos. Inside the workspace, you will see different models like Inspiration Center, Multi-Track, and Script. You can pin the Inspiration Center to your workspace so it's always available while you're creating. Once you open the Inspiration Center, you can ask Nemo for any video inspiration you want to explore. Based on this input, Nemo automatically generates inspiration reports that are continuously updated. So you don't need to keep searching or scrolling through platforms. You can then customize these reports just by telling Nemo what you care about. You might ask for engagement comparisons, hook analysis, or structure breakdowns, and Nemo adjusts the report based on your instructions. When you're ready to create, load your video and start editing. Inside the inspiration content, you can quickly react to what you like or you don't like. For example, selecting hooks you prefer or transitions that you want to avoid. Nemo uses this feedback to edit your video. If you're not ready to edit right away, you can save the inspiration report to the media library. Next time, when you create a video, you can directly pick elements that hooks, subtitle styles, or visual patterns from the library and apply them to your project. You can also upload your own reference video or images. Nemo will reverse engineer the script, visual style, and motion patterns, then apply those elements directly to your video. That's how Inspiration Center 2.0 moves you from endlessly browsing ideas to actually using them, helping you find that works, understand why it works, and recreate it with AI.